I can also say this, from 1996, Rollins did Lemex Bao ne Abu Ba Kumasi.
Yeah, Lemex, yeah.
Kumasi Asphalt. It was Jerry John Rollins.
Yeah.
96 to 2006. Now I expire. Now was yeah. Even Jacob for apart from the interchange, you know, no. Asphalting with Kumasi, it was nil. Up to 2017.
Yeah.
President Mahama Beye
Asokore
Mampo ne friend say Chairman Sam ho and it was sapiting and 2 years din nyina agui. Yet Kumasi ne kasa. Eba akwan say asphalting Asante region hunu bia. You can't take it from you Rollins then what yi Akufo-Addo. No Mahama Akufo-Addo. Rollins and Akufo-Addo. Asphalt ankasa.
Okay.
But sir enu nwie peye interchanges ne won e ma no Jacob for Shase Mills did majority of the Buakwa road ebedru ba bia e wo senka na nko mo toaso o mantuma ntoaso o mampani mama penso but obesusu be so mu dudu ba bi sesi adanado ye de akopie ho
MPP no
and they are doing it.
MPP no so stronghold o mo pese o mo bon last hour do so yire kura ne tina da bia last hour bedu ba bi no anyu ni o
fancy ha
e no kan o so
be for ne betrase
asoso ama people to even categorize you which time you obi fona no ye panin bi A+ no ye panin Abraham no ye panin Captain Smart grandpa na afsan kisa no ko nyi kaka no ko no bo no ko wa say class obi a mo dem mo pa na kwantia kana mo jimi no wa say class obi a ana obi aba no ye panin o twene je na so umi oba na o twa da sen ka odwen ho no o twu fon si so na wo de e wo kasa grandpa yen tin na waka okay can still be brain hu hia or that's so onya you guys just some of you just want to come live just to come and talk for people to watch you keke Charlie Ghana pa so the Charlie the nation can never be built based on this mere and stupidity of some of the youth. The munya sa dem na ekwaso Ghana ho no and the young guy be fafuna no ye Akufo-Addo no ye ba or ye Mahama no ye way no ye NDC no ye NPP. Charlie, you guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government to give you a job. Fine, there are certain things the government must do. They must fix the roads. Fine. That one definitely no. And any the government must fix the roads. The government must fix the roads. We understand that. They must fix the security system. Promo say you make America 10 to 15% per NIA government via public via. Nyaka individuals and companies they set it up. We can do the same thing in our nation Ghana. Ghana for more America, more Germany, more together. Now more set up something. More can be among Ghana. Ghana for good also. But there's no country to Ghana for you. Ghana for baby Ghanaians are everywhere. We can do that. We can build a nation ourselves. We don't have to wait for any political party. We give this party 4, 5 years, 8 years on bar. We feel like they're disappointing us. Then we wait for the next one to come. The same method. But by the time we realize now, we wouldn't be able to achieve our aims. So and just saying so the munyai because my person here know ya pa but so and then the idea said most of you claim to be Christians. Most of you also claim to be Muslims. I only pass a Quran actually say menye pani bupani. I only say Bible actually say menye pani bupani. But because of politics in Timothy be bia politics be bia chim say more politics be bia na abuse no Ghana, be bia na abuse no Africa. And I'm politics that Jim Musa youth amoba. When I'm saying future generation, future leaders. Everything and what they call no. Or be a phone no ye penny. They just take their phones, they come live, number live. It's very funny. They have people following you, whatever you guys are saying. Then I have a crow man. And then you are sending Jimmy Seminole. And then you are sending Jimmy Seminole. Now, all kind of system, man, online. No, yo, no man, what's your comment? To say, Jimmy say, Jimmy. if you're going through hardship, must you come out this way? Say, "Bia, you ma we school nyanyi no. O ya abano say bibia ya ban. Bibia ya ban. The kokan so mo say tete abroche nya ho ne kasa. Ye metra Ghana. Jimmy Sam say ya na kasa obi an to come America ha say ya. Nipa no e buy because of hardship na. Some of us say wow, you were Ghana crofo ye. Yes, I go school. Yes, even though it's say no, we are citizens so, but we don't plan to stay here. You plan to stay about town Ghana. And Chadia is upon and yes, you swim idea be a normal air common. You swim near Bini Ghana, you buy a terrible man. The Benamo Mobacro say, the moon must be a say, Moon Ghana who be. Some of you come here, you don't think about Ghana again, you just want to live your life. You just want to have your house be in Ghana and your car, you don't plan to go school. You remember mon ko school musu ahwe Jimmy Sam kwa Jimmy Sam na aka mo me say skabia sa allowance say a e dey ma first ladies first and second lady no ade e wo da enye ne lodge ye ma me madam lodge na mahama ogb ye ma me beki ono so ogb anybody can go and tell them so be refund this cano and you guys should speak to your MPs to go and make sure they will stand against the constitution. Now I'm making amendments because the law provides that for them. Our constitution says a mom allowances. It is a way so naive, that's what we need factor. Don't just take a phone and come and sell Ghana in a very bad way to people. Say, oh man, Ghana no, leave the studies kind of mom with Jimmy Sam. Yeah, my Mahama wife, and then by force, say on refund this can be what dear. Ye ma me bekidi o so den dia ko e fine ya atom ya gye e simple thing munya sa Jimmy Sam na you no bi atwefo na bibi kiti bi ba bibi kiti bi ba bi na bi atwefo asile so na Jimmy Sam ne kwasasem ko because if you are supposed to say there's freedom of speech, anybody can talk anyhow. Jimmy Sam say mun so ahwe Jimmy ko na mu bi na Jimmy I said no na manya companyphobia sabi we think say they are so enlightened no almost support him in a very bad way. Captain Smart yeah tell also a freedom fighter monta where them come moment you guys call yourself freedom fighters Martin Luther King more somebody now some freedom fighters no
the wise men of our time no and anko mu use nyansa omu use nim de na omu claim so they have no and anko de bua Ghana and also omu de bua omu busia no omu de bua omu community anka Ghana konenim. You know my problem with Ghanaian elites, they only know how to talk. Ghana for elites no omu mako school no the omini mane kasa chop it. Ya no de what the chance na man or kohwa or yeah worse than the first person that was there. And now no pa we miss me bu ofu. Now me bu ofu because me person obi ara wo or katechie free fano and number na ni page tag no. Captain Smart tag no. Avram Benmoshe tag no. I'm telling you this because I know what I just saw. And now no pa ma share video bi na me bofu na afuno me just say me ho tie me no. I had to come for 30 minutes and to lay certain things straight. Then no other than say me attack sa kwasia for free fan Captain Smart ne say Jimmy for we no. Other than me attacking them, I'm going to attack the ordinary Ghanaian citizen. Ghana for no be my Jimmy Doto. Ghana for no be mama kwai ma yedemo say yedemo Jimmy. Ghana for mama mo ho kwan ema NDC MPP mempe na nado asem mempe mahama asem mempe si edun kete asem mempe ba wumi asem no mama enu na fama dwene mankwasiafo bi afase e di milk Ghana dry and it pains me